Broad steps. Create a static web page.
In this tutorial, we will learn the basic and have you up and running in no time. Let us take a look at the broad steps required to create a static page. Open the HTML layout file. Edit the HTML code. Save the file. Run the HTML document in your web browser. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit. Instead of writing all the HTML code used to create a layout all over again, I will continue working on the one I had created previously. Here, I am going to begin by opening my HTML file I had created in the practical test part 2. I simply go to the directory where I had saved my web page layout file and open it with the notepad. A simple double click on the file and look, there's the layout I created. Now let's get down to business. Going back to Notepad, I will continue adding tags to HTML code. I start by giving the header an inviting image. In order to do this, I add the background attribute, here directing it to image URL. A thought-provoking image can draw people into your web page like nothing else. Any common website has a navigation bar that has an array of buttoned links. Do you know how web designers like me do this? Well, it's quite simple. I will just incorporate a nested table in the menu bar cell. To link these cells to the different pages on the website, I have used the anchor tag. The most important attribute of the anchor tag element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. Now, when the user moves the cursor over a link in my web page, the arrow will turn into a little hand like this. Now I have a beautiful image and a clear navigation strip. Yet, not quite where I'd want my web page to be. I'm going to spice it up with other compelling images in the 3 product cells. I use the img tag, define the width and height attributes and there! When a visitor arrives at the home page of your website for the first time, what are the things he's likely to look for? He may be seeking information about the institute or simply looking to contact you for a consultation. How do you think you will manage that? In my web page, I have created a menu with a heading, Product Menu using the heading tag. Now, I will create a menu with the Unorder List tag. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items are marked with the bullets, typically small black circles just like this. Linking these to further web pages is an easy task. Look, this is how I'm going to do it. Returning to the main body of the web page, I write the text using the paragraph tag. To make it look more neat and crisp, I align it to the center. People read screens differently than they read newspaper, and small blocks of text are easier to skim. So I have created multiple paragraphs. There, now I almost have a complete web page. I just need to tinker with the footer cell. I write the physical address of my institution using the address tag. I write the physical address of my institution using the address tag. Before I run it in web browser, I will save my file like this. And run, and bang! I have my web page. Now that puts a smile on my face every time I see it.